So here's a question for you. Do you ever ask yourself what your picture is actually about? Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. So here's the thing. Photos without a subject are like sentences without a verb. They feel incomplete. They look nice, but they don't actually say anything. And this is where many photographers go wrong. They photograph a scene, but they never decide what the photo is really about. Is it the person, the light, the expression, the tree, the shadow, the movement, or whatever? Until you define that subject, everything else is guesswork. But when you do commit to what the image is really about, everything changes. You compose differently. You move your feet. You remove distractions. You meter for the right thing. You decide whether to shoot wide open or stop down. And suddenly, the entire frame starts to serve that story. Defining your subject is like tuning an instrument. Until you do it, everything is slightly off. But once you do, you're playing with real purpose. And that's when your photos start to feel deliberate, meaningful, and memorable. Your pictures go from random to intentional, from accidental to deliberate, and from snapshot to story. So next time you're out with your camera, pause, ask yourself one simple question: what is this photo about? And if you do want to go deeper into building intentional photographs, go and watch episode 4 of the Ultimate Checklist series here. It'll help you put this into practice straight away. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.